So the reclinable hip abduction machine is a great tool for targeting all the hip abduction muscles, including the glutes, and the reclinable seat allows users to really target the muscles that they want to hit as they're using them. So you push in the lever until you reach the right distance that you would like to sit at. You apply the right amount of weights. You walk round until you're comfortable. There are 2 sets of handles to use here if you're sat upright, whereas if you're reclined, the handle's back here, and you slowly push through the abduction, pushing the outer knees slowly out, keeping it nice and controlled, hitting the kind of upper glutes or lower glutes, depending on where your seat is adjusted to. The machine does also recline all the way to the back to really hit those hip abduction muscles. So slowly lower yourself back and slowly pushing your knees outwards to really open up those hip abductor muscles.